Alright, hi guys, so this is the tutorial for today, and it's actually a collab with JhenMUA on Instagram. I'll definitely link her video in the description bar, and I'm also very late to this. Her video is already up. Jen, I completely apologize. Time got away from me. I wasn't really filming, and I literally forgot that I had said the date is the 6th of February. So yes, I'm late. I'm filming this like days after the 6th to be uploaded next week. It's a lot going on, but yes, so please, it's a collab, and you'll see my eyes eventually soon, but so Jen, so this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. I have been working with Beauty Forever Hair. I'm going to show you guys the back. I'm not quite sure how the back looks, so let me show you guys the back. Hopefully you guys are seeing the back. Right, so this is their Brazilian straight 16. I could have gotten 14-inch, you know, and cut it down to this length because I wasn't sure, like, if I wasn't sure about the body on it. If I had cut it, if I'd gotten it too short. Girl, I look like a sexy ass Daphne. What's a girl? Not Daphne, Velma. Is Velma from Scooby-Doo, right? And I just need that bando right here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so shocked at myself right now. Making the wig is easy as far as I'm concerned. It's just the styling of it that you need techniques to style a wig. And the reason why I bumped it is because I'm not too keen on the choppiness of the hair. So I figured if I bump it, it won't look so bad. I could bump it some more, you know? Could bump it some more, you guys. Wow, I'm just shocked right now at this, what I've created. Okay, so I'm outside. I'm on the veranda. I just wanted to film outside today. It's cooler. I don't have the fan on and I'm not sweating. I'm using natural light, so, and I'm wearing a white shirt, so I'm sorry if the lighting keeps going back and forth for this video. And for this video I also switch between lengths as well. Let me know what you think, please, about this one. I love when my bangs are like this, like thicker than a snicker. And I showed you, did I show you guys how? No, I didn't show you how I made the wig. I started filming how I made the wig and I stopped because you guys have seen me do that. But I showed you guys how I cut this into like this. Oh my god, like, I cannot believe it. I'm going to change my blows and take some pictures because I feel like this white is making it do some funky stuff. This is it for this intro. Oh my god, Beauty Forever Hair, thank you so much for always trusting me with your bundles. It's not easy to find somebody to review your stuff who's going to be honest. I just don't appreciate, but also it's a relief for me to find a company that I enjoy working with. Like the last time I worked with them, I was like, so what's in me, honey? When's gonna be your next one? You know, because y'all are good, you know. And they're like, oh yes, you can try this one, that one, whatever. So I'm completely grateful for Beauty Forever. Oh, my start sweat. I'm completely grateful for Beauty Forever, and enjoy the video. It's a full video, eh? I showed you guys how I did this hair. I collab with Jen as well, so it's a full throttle. It's another full throttle video. But I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I'm over the moon happy. I really am. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like, and I'm kind of looking a little bit cone-headish right now. This is the hair in its full state. I don't cut it as it or nothing, so I'm just parting out the cut that I want, and yeah, ensuring that I'm just cutting the closure only and not like with the bundles as well. So I'm just figuring out what I want to do, and while I was doing it, you guys, I was so nervous. I was like, Lord have mercy, Jesus, please don't let me screw this up. I was trying to get the lines straight. I was like, maybe getting the lines straight will help. And I didn't want to take out too much either or too little, you know, like just enough. So remember in my last bob video I twisted it. I don't know why. It's in the OG videos that I watched, they twisted it and it gave like a layered effect. So I was like, I'm gonna just keep twisting it because that's what I know how to do. So I twisted it And when I twist it, I didn't pull on it. You're going to see what I mean in the next clip. So I'm just comb it out, comb it in the kinks and whatever. So I'm seeing where I want the bang to fall, and I twist it. And when I twist it, I'm not going to tug on it. I'm going to leave it kind of loose. So I'm twisting it here, and then I see it's kind of loose. Instead of me pulling at it, like pulling it down to cut it, I don't want to do that. I'm leaving it kind of loose. Then I'm going to go ahead with the scissors. By the way, I don't even have a good shears for cutting hair. I just like regular scissors. We use cut box, paper, plastic, cotton. I don't know. So after I cut it, I did nothing else. After I cut it, I didn't go in and do no feathering or nothing, because your girl is fairly new to the bang life. Even though I've done bang before, but this is by far my most successful bang. So I just combing it out. I want to go up to see where that part is. I want to pluck that, so I have more of a defined part whenever I put the wig down. Wow, like, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Beauty Forever, thank you so much for trusting me here. You have no idea. So now I'm thinking, alright, I have to cut the rest of this into a bob. So I'm going to do is I'm just going to comb it out, and then I'm going to hold the hair, and I think I am. Excuse me, I'm so sorry guys, I just yawned. I'm very, very sorry. Can I tell you the secret? It's 1 a.m. in the morning now. I cannot sleep, so I'm just up editing this video. Anyway, so I did tug on it a little, not deliberately, but the hairs kept on slipping out of my hands. So I held it as tight as I could, but there was some tension applied just because it kept on slipping out of my hands. And then I just cut it, see? Like that. Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Lord have mercy, Jesus. So I'm going to go again and kind of comb it down so I can see where the one side ends, and then kind of cut it as close as possible. Now this left it very uneven and choppy. So off camera, what you didn't see me do is I put it on my mannequin head, and then I just like hold it up, and I went around and I just cut all the uneven pieces. No, it was still uneven, but what I'm going to do is, for if I get another straight hair, I'm definitely going to be doing another layered bob. So that is really choppy and uneven. So I put this on a mannequin head when I was finished, and I went in again and I actually cut them as even as possible. But I said it in the video, but I can say it here, or I said it before, I believe, in the beginning. I did go ahead and I bump it, as in just kind of folded it under, because of the unevenness, you know. Wow, but I for one really love how this looks. I do. Hey, here comes the tutorial portion of this video. So for my brows, I definitely went ahead and used my Face by Shona dark brown pomade, and pomade brow gel, whatever you want to call it, and I love it. Now I will admit, in this video my hands was a little bit heavy, and it was just a little bit too dark, you know. But I'm using my LA Pro contour kit, my LA contour kit again, and I'm using the darker side to groom my brows, and then I use the lighter side on my brow bone area, the highest point, the arch of my brows, right? So now I'm going with my Sasha Cosmetics Primal, and then for foundation I'm actually using my Beauty Bakery foundation, and I'm in the number 17. You will see that after I applied the foundation, I did not apply the foundation because I don't want full coverage for this foundation, which you can get, but I find that sometimes when I lay on my foundation it changes the color of it. So just applied it where it matched my skin, left it, and then I relied on my powder to the rest of the covering, because yeah, I can still see my spots peeking through. So this is also the Beauty Bakery concealer. I can't remember the name of this, but it looks really, really cool and almost gray on me whenever I apply it, but whenever I blend it out it looks warm and it works. I don't know what the science is behind this, but it's definitely science or witchcraft or whatever, but it looks warm whenever I blend it out with the beauty blender. I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos where I've used this concealer and I use a beauty blender to blend it out, and it actually removed the product. Your beauty blender has to be darn near dry, not dry, but you can't have it damp where it's dripping. just can't, it needs to be, I don't know how to explain it, but whenever I get a bit wet, I always squeeze mine out into a towel twice to soak up as much moisture as possible. So for my low light, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Espresso, and see, this clip looks so orange. I think it's the time I had switched over lens. This clip looks hella orange. So I'm just going to be blending out with my Sculpting in Paradise brush. And for the other clip, you're not going to see me use the lighter color. I actually use the Beauty Bakery flower powder in yellow to set my highlighted areas. But I don't know where that clip is, because I remember pressing play, but I don't see the clip at all, so I don't know. So yes, so that was used. That's the light color you're seeing there, and that color that I just held up is my Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Spice loose powder, and that's going everywhere. Behind the scenes fact here, this brush, I accidentally used it for my foundation. That was my foundation brush. It was my powder brush. Did not remember that at all. Okay, so now I'm actually going to be doing my eyes, and I'm taking my Cali palette, and I mean, everything speaks for itself after this. Everything I'm doing speaks for itself after this. So let me just, I think I reviewed this palette already. Did I think so. When I used it, I was telling you guys how I felt about it. I mean, it's definitely a palette you can skip. You absolutely do not need this palette in your life. The colors are very rudimentary, they're very mediocre, but unfortunately, in comparison to the very, very first palette that you put out, the one that kind of look like pumpkin spice with the orange and the black, like these colors are like a step up from those colors, as in like the payoff are a step up from those. But I've been using so many palettes lately. Like this palette, I can do without it in my collection. I just wanted to just use it again. So it don't look like more waste my money, but I'm saying this right now. If you're thinking I'm buying it and you really want it, you do not need it. And if you do buy it, you're going to regret it, because Juvia's Place has better payoff. Crayon Case has better payoff. God Almighty, Huda Beauty has better payoff. Beauty Bakery has better payoff. You know what I mean? But anyway, so now I'm going to move on to my LA Pro Primer in black. And I love setting this down as a base when I want to do a smoky look. Also, when I want to put like a dark color on top, but I want the darkness of the color to be rich. You know what I mean? If I had just applied the eyeshadow just on my eyes, it wouldn't have that look. So I'm blending out the edges. As I'm telling you, whenever I use this product, I always blend it out, because if I don't, then when I apply the color on top of it, it is gonna look choppy. Look at that. Look at that. She's blending. It's just blending, honey. Oh, you can't tell me nothing, baby. You can't tell me nothing. So, yeah. This is the look. This is the look. This is everything that I did for this video. The hair, the makeup. Oh my god, I should say again, JhenMUA, thank you so much for working with me, and I'm so sorry. I'm just getting my video up. When she emailed me and said her video was up, I didn't understood what she meant. So I was like, yo, can we reschedule? But when I was going through my emails again, I saw that she said the video is up, and I was like, crap, of course the video is up. That was our deadline. I completely forgot. Oh, that black that you're seeing, I didn't put it on camera deliberately. It's the same LA Pro Primer black, so I'm just applying the orange color just underneath it. And I'm going with my Juvia's Place Volume 2 or Volume 1? Volume 1 blush palette. Volume 1 blush palette. Taking that glow, I'm going to put that on there. And for the blush, I'm going to be using the orange for my blush. For my lips, I'm going to be using Uncuffed from Fenty Beauty. It's one of her matte lippies, and that's what I'm using on my lips. And this is the look. Jen, again, thank you so much for working with me. I'm very sorry for getting my video up this late. Please check her video out in the description bar below. The rest of the video will be talking about my wig again, because y'all see I'm bald-headed doing this clip. Y'all see me bald-headed. I know y'all see me bald-headed. Alright, so this is the wig that I cut, and it still looks choppy to me. Oh my gosh. Alright, this is way shorter than I would naturally wear my hair. Let me know what you guys think about the short hair on me. Again, this is from Beauty Forever Hair. I've been working with them. Awesome people to work with. I love working with Beauty Forever. And this is their Brazilian straight, 16 inches. And as you guys saw, I made the wig and then I cut it. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm just bumping it. I ain't never worn no hair like this before. I've never styled my hair like this before either. You guys, it's growing on me. It is growing on me. It's growing on me really quickly. What I'm going to do next is I want to style this hair for you guys, and I want to put in like Jesus God, this looks so good. Oh my God, you guys, as usual, I crave your honest opinion, and if it don't look good, just tell me why it don't look good and how I can make it look good. Oh my God. So I have one full bundle left. I only used 2 bundles and the closure, not a frontal. I used the closure. Wow, I like when the, yes, this with the bang, I like when the bang looks like this. Whoa. Alright, sorry for the noise. I am filming outside today on the veranda. You guys, let me know what you think, okay? Alright, this is the end of the video. Again, Jen, I'm so sorry for getting my video so late. Getting it up late, but please go ahead and check Jen's video out. I'll have it linked in the description bar below. Show her a lot of love, and she has been uploading because I had spoken to some other girls who I reached out to, and I was like, I'd love to work with you, but you don't really upload. This hair is doing it for me, but you don't upload enough, and I don't want my subscribers to get bored, you know what I mean? Like, I'm introducing them to new people who they can watch, and they have to be able to watch you. I wish blood cleanse, girl. This the goodest, the cleanest. You guys. Okay, bye.